Welcome back. So the episode begins with Ujjani asking Noyanika to sleep because she has to report to the hospital the next day. Noyanika says she will be joining the hospital but wants to spend the night with her daughter first. Ujjani admits that she feels empty whenever she is alone, and Noyanika promises that she will never leave her. Before leaving, Noyanika advises Ujjani not to hurt Shishu because he genuinely cares for her. Ujjani agrees but admits that she sometimes feels Shishu loves her only because she is Noyanika's daughter. Noyanika assures her that she is mistaken and tells her not to misunderstand Shishu's feelings. Later, Noyanika returns to her room and starts thinking about Ishan. She remembers how harshly she insulted him and feels guilty for hurting someone who had always cared for her. She wonders how Ishan must be feeling after her rejection. Her worry soon turns into fear. Noyanika starts wondering whether Ishan may have harmed himself. Unable to control her anxiety, she decides that she needs to hear his voice. Meanwhile, Ishan is also struggling with heartbreak. He remembers Noyanika's accusation and refuses to answer when she calls. He believes that she has already ended the relationship and has no right to suddenly ask about him. Ishan then makes a painful decision. He decides to leave Kolkata the very next day and never return. As memories of his time with Noyanika overwhelm him, he expresses his heartbreak through an emotional rendition of the Sairab song. Bishu tries to make Ishan eat and tells him that Noyanika has chosen her daughter and family. He urges Ishan to accept the reality and her decision and move forward instead of destroying his own life over someone who has chosen another path. But Noyanika remains extremely worried. When Bishu also stops answering her calls, she fears something has happened to Ishan. She finally goes to the hotel to check on him. Noyanika meets Bishu and asks whether Ishan is okay. Bishu becomes angry and tells her to leave, warning her not to meet Ishan again. Noyanika ignores his anger and only wants reassurance that Ishan is safe. Bishu confirms that Ishan is fine but then gives Noyanika a painful reality check, telling her that she does not deserve Ishan's love. Noyanika is deeply hurt, yet she still asks Bishu to take care of himself and Ishan. Meanwhile, Ishan overhears their conversation, making the situation even more emotional. Noyanika clearly regrets pushing him away, while Ishan believes their love story has already ended. The episode ends with both of them suffering because of the same decision. The upcoming twist is even more shocking as Ishan reportedly meets with an accident and Noyanika learns about it. Will this finally make Noyanika realize how deeply she still loves Ishan, or will she continue choosing distance over her own feelings? Thank you for watching. Bye.